Hello, we hope you are having a great day. This is a tutorial video of creating a mega menu in SharePoint Online. The standard cascade menu is not very effective when it has two or more hierarchy of menu options. The mega menu is found to be a lot more effective and simple when it comes to displaying menu options with three hierarchy levels. Let's see how we can create and configure a mega menu in SharePoint Online. Please note that Mega Menu is applicable only in hub sites and communication sites as of now. We cannot use this option in team sites. Let's see how this works in a communication site. So I am going to show you how to create a mega menu in SharePoint. So this is one of my communication sites, and we use this site for sharing our marketing department related news content. So I'm going to edit this menu right here. So this is a standard menu right now. As you can see, the menu options here are standard right now. There are no sub menu options. So let's first edit this and add more sub menu options so that the mega menu looks more interesting. So for that, you can click on the edit option right to the menu here. So this is where you get to edit the menu options. So I am planning to add a few subsections under the pages option. So there are actually 6 pages in this communication site right now. These are the pages, 6 pages. So I want to divide this into 2 sections and display these 3 pages under 2 different sections. So let's just edit the menu and add the subsections first. So I'm clicking on the edit option straight to the menu bar at the top, and just move your mouse pointer over the pages section and click on the plus icon that appears. So this is the short window that allows you to add new menu options. So there are 2 options. You can either add a link or a label. So first I'm going to add a new section here. So I'm choosing the label option, and I'm going to give the new section name as webinar and click OK to add this. So by doing this, I have added a new menu option, but I want to make webinar a subsection of the pages. So click on the ellipsis straight to that option and choose make sublink. So this is now converted to a subsection of the pages main menu option. There is one more section I want to add, so I'm clicking on the plus icon once more, and I'm going to give it the name discussions. So there I have added 2 subsections. Let's now add more options under these subsections. So let's just save this and see how it looks now. So the pages option now comes with 2 subsections. As they are not configured right now, it looks like this. Let's now add more options under the new webinars as well as discussion sections. So let's go to the webinar section first, and I'm clicking on the plus icon. Let's now add a link here first. So I have already copied a few links for this purpose, so I'm just adding them here. There's the first link. Let me give it the name CLM features. Clicking OK. So this is supposed to be a subsection of the webinar category. So I'm just clicking on the CLM features, more options, and choose make sub link. So this is now a subsection of the webinar. So this is the 3rd level of hierarchy here. So let me just add some more options here. So it's another webinar, contract manager, contract management webinar, another content here. Let's give it this name, click OK. So I'm adding one more. So the more pages you add, the more advanced it look, or more complete it looks. As the Mecha menu option is actually designed to include more options, you can add any number of pages in this menu view. Contract lifecycle maps, CLM. So the webinar section is complete. Now let's just add a few pages under the discussion section now. So I'm copying the link. Electronic. So let's convert this newly added page to the sub section of the discussions part. So one page is added. Let's now add the second page. I'm just entering a few suitable names just to give you an idea, quick idea about how to do this. So I'm adding the third link here. This is actually report generation. So actually some of the features of a contract management product we are providing. So I've added 3 pages each under these 2 categories. So let's now save this menu options. There are also other options provided here. You can either move it down, or edit the option again if you wish. You can also use the promote sublink option if you want to promote this link. So once you are done with the editing the menu options, you can click on save. You can also enable the side navigation audience targeting by clicking on this option here. So I'm saving this menu options right now. So this is actually the cascading view, which is the default SharePoint menu view. This is how it looks, the 2 subsections, webinar and discussions. So these are the options that come under webinar, and these are the options that come under discussions. So one thing I don't like about this look is it doesn't give a quick overview of what's inside. So we have to move to each options to see what's inside. So that's a little bit confusing, or a little bit boring for me. So let's just edit the menu view here by clicking on the settings icon at the top and choose change the look option from the bottom of the options. So by clicking it, the options will appear, and from here you need to choose the navigation option. So as you can see, there are 2 options, mega menu and cascading. Cascading is the current option we have opted. So I'm going to choose mega menu here. Click on save to save the changes. Let's just refresh the page and make sure that the options are saved properly. And let's now see how the menu looks. This is how mecha menu looks. So as you can see, in a single view, you can view all the content that comes under each option. So here, in this case, I can see all the pages that are listed here in a single view. So one big advantage is that your users or the site visitors will get to see all content in a single view. They'll find it very easy to discover content from now. So that's the highlight of the mega menu option. And we can also change the overall color options. However, the overall color options will be by default set as per the theme you have chosen. So here, let's see the theme. Yeah, this is the current theme. So if you want to change the theme, you can choose any other options here. Let's choose the dark blue option at the bottom. Yeah, this is another view. So if you are a fan of the dark theme, this will be perfect for you. As you can see in the dark view, this looks like this. So that's another option you can opt for. So we hope you got an clear idea about how Mega Menu works and what are its potentials and the steps to configure the menu and change the menu view according to that. Try this for your communication and websites, and let's know about your experience in the comment section below. We'll come up with a new video soon. Have a good day.